Okay, people. Okay, people, we're back traveling again.
Every day is snowing since I was told that you don't
Our room! Wow.
but baby you're just cold and you know I try.
So yes, here we are. It's a small, tiny room, but enough for a nice vacation. So we didn't tell you, but we're celebrating our 6-year anniversary. And also
My first upcoming birthday.
Yes. We're having such a fun time. And I was telling them we had bad experience because we came.
Super late. We were the last ones, but we made it, so that's the
Yes. So we're gonna take you along and show you a little bit of the way today. Bed, desk, closet, and nice security box. Exit, baño, the throne, guys. All the necessary stuff. Of course, the shower, and that's it. Tequila time! We're making margaritas. By the way, this is already mixed, that is just ready to drink with some alcohol, 10%. But I added some Cuervo to mine. And we're having a great time because we're just reaching 6 years married! Yes! So there was this group of people next to this table, and they just asked me, what about the yellow glasses? And then they came to us and said, what about that microphone on top of your camera? Are you YouTubers? Who are you guys? And the funny fact is, a lot of people ask us about the camera. Now we want to hear about you. Would you ask people if you see someone with a camera, with a muff like that? I'm gonna put a picture so you can take a look at what I'm trying to say. We're having pizza from a nice buffet. I'm having a potato soup, and Cynthia some salad, and we're enjoying already.